Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video we have this Cupra Leon in for some lowering. So as you can see at the moment, the arch gap is pretty ridiculous. Looks like it's stood on stilts. So we're going to be lowering the car today. The kit that we're going to be fitting to the car is the AST adjustable lowering spring kit. So that fits on the standard damper and gives us like a coilover amount of lowering, and we can really dial in that arch gap to how the customer wants it. So obviously if you're interested in any of the products in the video, then head to the website where you can browse them. And what we're going to do is now we're going to get the car in the workshop, so we'll see you inside. Okay, so here is the Cupra Leon all finished off. So we've got the ride height sorted out just nice on this car. As you can see, the front is significantly lower, so it's filling the arch a lot better. So there's a minimal arch gap there. And then coming over to the rear, obviously exactly the same, minimize the arch gap. So the standard wheel and tire package looks a lot better. We can probably add we can definitely add some spaces on the front of the rear to push the wheels out a little bit further to make the wheels feel the arches a lot better. This customer at the moment though is considering some aftermarket wheel options, so we might see some Titan 7s on this car very, very soon, and then the aesthetic will look absolutely perfect. So if you're interested in any of the products in this video, then head to the description where you can find all of our contact information. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't done already, then give us a thumbs up. If you want to watch some of our other videos that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you want to watch some other videos in the same playlist, then click here. And if you haven't done already, then hit the subscribe button right here.